Your agent can run while you sleep. It can post, reply, research, publish, but one problem is that everything it writes sounds very boring. Today, though, we are gonna change that as we introduce you to SOUL.md, a file format for who you are and for who you want your agent to be. Hello everyone, this is Nurstar from the Eon team, and today we are showing you how to give a soul to your Eon agent. In fact, every autonomous agent has the same tell. The output is competent on one end, but on the other, its style is completely generic. Right now, there are two ways to improve that situation. The first one is to fine-tune a model on your own data, which is expensive, slow, and also limited to one vendor. Otherwise, you can paste right in a casual, witty tone into a system prompt, which produces the exact same voice as everyone else who typed that same sentence. What's missing is a middle layer, a format for identity that is specific enough to actually sound like you or like a person you want your agent to sound like, and portable enough to work with any model. SOUL.md is a personality spec written in plain markdown. It consists of 5 pieces. SOUL.md that includes the identity, the worldview, real opinions, and also the contradictory opinions of that soul. Then there is STYLE.md. This is how you write the sentence rhythm, the vocabulary, the rhetorical moves, etc. Then we have MEMORY.md, which adds continuity across sessions. Then we have an example folder with outputs that are graded good and bad. And finally, a data folder where you can find the raw material the soul is grounded on. So the line from our repo says it's best, not a chatbot that talks about you, but rather an AI agent that thinks and speaks as you, or as the person you want it to speak like. Currently, there are 3 ways to build one soul. Interview mode, where the agent interrogates you and writes the files. Data-driven, where it extracts patterns from your own tweets, posts, and transcripts, or manual templates. So let's build one soul live, and let's choose a voice that everybody knows. We also decided to record how we built a soul around Elon Musk. We simply wrote a very simple prompt asking our agent to also to follow the instructions on the Eon main repo. You know, it took a couple of minutes to gather all the information needed to create this soul, and then it was shipped. And then you can also give a look at our pull request on the Eon repo, and where you can find out all the information related to the construction of this Elon Musk soul. You can scroll through the different files, see what was chosen as the information to build the soul, the style, how was the style chosen, which were the data that were scanned in order to create this repo, and so on. So now we have an agent that behaves as Elon Musk. So let's see how he behaves if we write something with him. And then we gave our Eon agent a task, which was about creating a report regarding the interview that was made to Elon Musk by Zanny Minton Beddoes from The Economist a couple of days ago. And you can see that the Elon agent wrote a short summary about the interview, and he highlighted the most important things and concepts that Elon Musk said during the interview, and also how he clashed with the interviewer as well on many points. And yeah, so it is good because it's like analyzing what Elon Musk thinks about also the result of the interview, right? How it went out. And yeah, so it's also a good way to find out more about what was discussed in the interview if you didn't have the time to watch it entirely. If we take an example, for example, the part that matters, the Economist who thinks, digital intelligence and its physical and effectors, AI is the brain, humanoid robots are the ends. Once above scale, output of goods and services exceeds what humans can consume, quasi-infinite economy. Anyone can have anything they can think of. The interviewer asked how that works in practice, treasury issues checks, she said inflation. No, inflation is money supply growing faster than output. When robots make output grow faster than the money supply, printing money is deflationary. Run the napkin math. Nobody ever runs the napkin math. Work becomes like growing tomatoes. You can buy tomatoes at the store, but growing them feels good. That's all jobs in 2036. This is the culture Star Trek feature, and yes, I said it's basically space communism, and no, that doesn't make me a socialist. Haha. The machines make it true. Ideology has nothing to do with it. So, and also by reading these lines, you can understand that the Elon Musk style in here. So I think we did a pretty good job in building the soul. So I hope you enjoyed this video where we showed you the potential of building souls around personalities or also around yourself, so that your agent can sound more like yourself or more like the person that you want it to sound like. If you want to find out more about Eon, just head to aeon.fun and fork the repo and start working with our Eon agents. Thanks a lot for watching, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next video. Take care guys, bye!